Welcome to Storytime with English with Amanda. Today's story, Easter Eggs on the Hill. Soleil was so excited for Easter morning that she woke up before the sun. She brushed her long black hair, grabbed her basket of brightly painted eggs and hurried outside. Austin, Savannah and Little Sage were already waiting, each holding their own colourful eggs. Together they began their happy walk towards the highest hill in the area where their Easter adventure would begin. As they reached the top of the hill, the children found Grandmother sitting on a soft blanket decorated with tiny spring flowers. She smiled warmly and opened her arms wide. Soleil, Austin, Savannah and Little Sage hurried over to sit beside her. The breeze was gentle and the whole hill seemed to sparkle in the morning sun as they placed their painted eggs carefully on the blanket. Grandmother picked up a shiny red egg and held it high. "Do you know why we roll eggs down the hill?" she asked, with a twinkle in her eye. The children leaned in close. "Long ago," she said, "people rolled eggs to celebrate new life and the joy of spring. The egg rolling reminds us that good things can come from small beginnings, just like flowers growing from tiny seeds." The children jumped up, ready to roll their eggs. Soleil chose her blue egg with yellow stars. Austin picked a red one. Savannah had a purple egg with stripes, and Sage held a yellow egg with pink spots. One by one, they gently rolled their eggs down the hill, laughing as they watched them tumble and bounce through the grass. Grandmother clapped and cheered, her eyes sparkling with joy. When all the eggs had rolled to the bottom, the children raced down to collect them. Soleil found hers nestled beside a daisy, and Sage giggled as she picked up her egg from a patch of clover. They carried their eggs back up the hill, cheeks rosy and hearts full. Grandmother hugged them all and said, "Every egg rolled today carries a wish for happiness." The children smiled, knowing this Easter would be one to remember. I hope you enjoyed this story, but for now we have to say goodbye. So goodbye and follow for more interesting stories.